Behringer has a number of audio interfaces in the Uphoria line, including the UM2, the UMC22, the UMC202HD, the UMC204HD, and the UMC404HD. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the Uphoria UMC204HD by Behringer. In the box, you get the Behringer Uphoria UMC204HD audio interface, a USB Type A to B cable which connects from the rear of the audio interface to a PC or Mac, a quick start guide which displays safety information, warranty information, and product information, and a Behringer sticker. The seller I bought this from on Amazon also included 2 XLR male to female cables and 1 3.5mm male to 2/4 inch male cables. The build quality of this audio interface is impressive, from the metal housing to the tactile and responsive feel of the controls. Looking at the front of the audio interface, there are 2 inputs, which can both be XLR inputs or 1/4 inch inputs, or a combination of XLR and 1/4 inch inputs, with a Midas preamp connected to both inputs. This device supports sample rates up to 192 kHz or 24-bit for professional audio quality. There are separate but identical controls for input 1 and input 2. There's a line or instrument button. If you are using a microphone, you'd want to leave this online. There's a pad button which reduces the input level of the connected source. There's a dial to control the gain and 2 LED lights, one to show that a signal is being received and one to show if clipping is occurring. Clipping occurs when the audio signal in the channel is too loud. Next is the stereo/mono button, which when pressed activates mono monitoring of the audio signals connected to inputs 1 and input 2. The mix knob adjusts the level of input signal to playback signal at the main out as well as at the headphone output. Monitor A/B selector designates output channels. Phone knob adjusts the output level of the headphones. MIDI in and out LED shows activity if there are MIDI interfaces connected. Main out knob adjusts the output level at the left and right main out. Power LED shows that the audio interface is receiving power. Plus 48 volt LED shows that the audio interface is using 48 volt phantom power. On the topic of phantom power, this audio interface has a switch at the back of the unit which controls whether the phantom power is on or off. Dynamic microphones do not require phantom power, but condenser microphones do. So one obvious drawback of this audio interface would be that you cannot connect both a dynamic microphone and a condenser microphone at the same time, as there is no way to only provide phantom power to one of the inputs. Headphone jack, which uses a 1/4 inch connection, is used for direct monitoring. At the back of the audio interface is the USB B-type connector, the MIDI in and out sockets, the phantom power off and on switch, the Kensington lock, playback outputs A, which is channels 1 and 2, and B, which is channels 3 and 4, can be used to connect to external speakers for additional monitoring options. The main out left and right, and at the last connection, an external signal processing device can be connected to the UMC204HD via inserts 1 and 2. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video and if you'd like to see similar content. If you have any questions about the Behringer Uphoria UMC204HD, please ask it in the comment section below.